Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to remove alarm clock in your Realme 5 mobile phone. So okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. So okay guys, let's start. And okay guys, you all have to do is tap the clock on the screen in your Realme 5 mobile phone. So okay. And after that, okay, you can see the alarm clock. So, okay, to delete or to remove this alarm, okay, you'll have to do is turn off the alarm clock. And now, you can see the alarm clock icon on the upper right side on your screen are gone. And, okay, guys, to remove this alarm, so, okay, you'll have to do is click edit on the upper left side on your screen. And, okay, guys, select the alarm time you want to remove. So okay, after you select the time or the alarm clock time, so okay, you can see the square on the right side. Okay, select and click this to check the square. And okay guys, after you select the alarm time, you can see below the delete icon. Okay, to remove this alarm clock, you'll have to do is click the delete button below. And the pop-up will show, and okay, you can see the delete button. Okay, click this. And okay guys, we have successfully removed the alarm clock and the alarm clock icon on the upper right side on your screen. And okay guys, that's it. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.